Namaste. Over the last 30 days, students, staff, parents, and alumni of Padma Seshadri Bala Bhavan have come together to pay their humble tributes to one of the great doyens of Indian education, Srimati Rajalakshmi Parthasarathi, known to us by different names: Mrs. YGP, YGP Ma'am, Big Miss, Rashmi, Jalak, Rajama, or just Perima. Whatever name that might be, the values from her life's work are the unifying forces that bind us together as one family. Her revolutionary attempt at molding young Indian minds into global citizens with gravitas, while being proud torchbearers of their civilization, has borne fruit, and it is now our duty to carry forward this remarkable legacy of hers. The last month has underscored what a towering figure Mrs. YGP was, a banyan tree of sorts. The banyan tree signifies wisdom, yet it is non-judgmental and all-encompassing. It has not one root, but many, growing outwards, each connected to the other, just as the sky is connected to earth. Its expansive branches provide shade and relief, and its base has always been a place for discussion and debate. From Mylapore to Manhattan, from Lakeview Road to London, from Srirangam to Singapore, from Tanjavur to Trafalgar Square, from the Marine Drive to the Marina Beach, from Delhi to Dallas, from Colombo to California, the last month saw PSBBians from across the globe who came together to reflect and give thanks to that one woman who inspired them from that one small quadrangle where it all began. Because of Mrs. YGP's vision, we got to witness the sheer dynamism of PSBB students, both past and present. From mastering research, technology, and policy at universities and corporations, to mastering the Ragam, Tanam, and Pallavi at kacheris and sabhas, from rendering Katha Kalakshepams to speaking up for conservationism, from playing table tennis to playing the tabla, from performing to javalis to engaging in hard-hitting journalism, from directing for the silver screen to diplomacy at the South Block. PSBBians from all walks of life came together to share with us their personal stories and anecdotes about Mrs. YGP. Good evening. I am Yatan Agarwal, and on behalf of the PSBB group of schools, I welcome you all to the concluding day of a month-long tribute to Mrs. YGP. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, to Ma'am with love.
Vidya Shakti, Medha Shakti, Kalashraya Shakti.
Men may come and men may go, but PSBB will go on forever.
Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. My dear teachers of the world, you are all great people. Don't underestimate yourself. You are made to teach. You have few great important things to do. Responsibility. You are responsible for all your actions, words and deeds that set an example to your students. But indeed, they look forward to you for integrity, and you have to be honest and faithful to your school and your teachers and your students. You have a great responsibility, the responsibility of shaping students into excellent citizens of the world. May God help you in all three, and I wish you all the best. I give you my strength and my willpower and my good wishes to all the teachers of the world to teach only A for accountability, I for integrity, and R for responsibility. That's how I interpret sincere and be a great teacher. God bless you all.
What a beautiful message from the past from Mrs. YGP, which is relevant to our precious present and is a blessing for our radiant future. We are indeed privileged to have preserved a recording of Mrs. YGP addressing our teachers on her last Teachers' Day. We have put together a power-packed show for you all. From our little stars to our celebrated alumni, all of them have come together to pay their obeisance to Mrs. YGP. या कुंदेन्दु तुषारहार धवला, या शुभ्र वस्त्रावृता, या वीणा वरदंड मंडितकरा, या श्वेत पद्मासना, या ब्रह्माच्युत शंकर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा पूजिता, सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेष जाड्यापहा. Salutations to Devi Saraswati, who's as pure as white jasmine, who's as cool as the moon, who's as bright as snow, who shines like a garland of pearls, who's adorned with white garments, whose hands are adorned with the veena and a boon-giving staff, and the one who sits on a white lotus, the one who's adored by Brahma, Achyuta, Shankara, and all other devas. O Goddess Saraswati, please protect us and remove our ignorance. In India, September 5th is celebrated as Teachers' Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the first Vice President and the second President of independent India, a renowned scholar and a recipient of the Bharat Ratna. As an educationist, he was an advocate for education, a distinguished envoy, an academician, and above all, a great teacher. So today, we honored our great teacher, YGP ma'am, through a Tamil song, Par Pugar Asan, a presentation by the Tiny Tots of PSVB KK Nagar.
We, Dr. and Mrs. YGP's dear children, dedicate this mellifluous tribute to our great teacher. சேஷாத்ரிபாலபவன பாலகணாங்கள் பாட வந்தோம். பார்ப்புகழ் ஆசான் திருமதி வைஜி பார்த்த சாரதியை பாட வந்தோம். இளம் சிரிப்பும் இனிய சொல்லும் என்றும் தன்னிடம் கொண்டவராம். மழலையை பாட்டில் தன்னை மறந்து மலை போல் ஆசிகள் தருபவராம். செல்வம் அளிப்பவராம். கல்விக்கு வயதோர் தடையில்லை என எடுத்து காட்டாய் திகழ்பவராம். பாரதி கண்ட புதுமை பெண்ணாகி பத்மஸ்ரீ பட்டம் பெற்றவராம். என்றும் இளமை எதிலும் புதுமை என தன் செயல்களால் உரைப்பவராம். அன்னையே உங்கள் ஆசியில் நாங்கள் அமோகமாக இருப்போமே, அமோகமாக இருப்போமே, அமோகமாக இருப்போமே.
Great teachers focus not only on compliance but also on building relationships. Teaching is a very gratifying profession because teachers are able to tangibly see their students grow from unbloomed buds to fully bloomed flowers. And this gratification is augmented when students recall their teachers' contribution in their growth and upliftment. And what better way to honor our teachers than by putting them above our gods? Twameva Sarvam Mama Gurudeva, a dance presentation by Medha Murali of PSBB Tinagar.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Sada sada sani da ni da ba da ni da ba da ni sa. குதூகலம் போது குலுங்கும் நந்தவனமா பள்ளிக்கூடம் புத்தம் புதிய செடிகளாயிரம் சிலாறு. குதூகலம் போது குலுங்கும் நந்தவனமா பள்ளிக்கூடம் புத்தம் புதிய செடிகளாயிரம் சிலாறு. பதியலிட்டு அவற்றை கவனமாக வளர்ப்பவர்கள் ஆசிரியர்கள், மிதிப்படாமல் பாதுகாத்து போக வைக்கும் பெற்றோர்கள், அவை மிதிப்படாமல் பாதுகாத்து போக வைக்கும் பெற்றோர்கள். சபமப மனிதமாக மபனித சனி சகரி மக சனி சரி தப மபனித பமகரி மக பமனித ச மக பமனித மக பமனித ச. எருவின்றி வெறும் தண்ணீரால் பயிர் விளைந்திடுமோ, பெருவாழ்வு உடல் உயிர் வினை பின்றி கிடைத்திடுமோ. இரு கருங்கள் சேர்ந்தாலே இனிய ஓசை எழும்பிடுமே, குருவும் பெற்றோரும் இணைந்தால் கல்வி பயனுறுமே. சரிகரி சத சரிகரி கபத சதபத சரிக சரிகரி சத சரிகரி கதலி சத பதன. ஆடுகள் பல கடந்து காலங்கள் மாறினாலும் ஆடுகள் தம் முத்திரைகளை எல்லோர் மீது பதித்தாலும் யாண்டு ஆசிரியர் தோன்றினால் அடையாளம் கண்டு வணங்கும் மாண்பிற்கு உரியவரவரல்லவா. தஸ்மை ஸ்ரீ குரவே நமஹ, தஸ்மை ஸ்ரீ குரவே நமஹ, தஸ்மை ஸ்ரீ குரவே நமஹ. நிரிகரி நிரணி மதனித பமத கமத மத மத நிரணி கரிசா. அன்றைய குருகுலம் முதல் இன்றைய கம்ப்யூட்டர் வரை இன்றியமைய உயிராக விளங்குபவர் ஆசிரியர். கணிப்பொறி என்றாலும் அதை இயக்குபவருமாறு பணியை கருத்து సరి మబని పగారి ని సరి మబని దప మబని మబని సరి 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 దమ మబని గరి సరి ని సరి ని దమ మబని దమ మగని సబ్ எங்கிருந்தாலும் எந்த பள்ளியில் பணி புரிந்தாலும் அங்கு ஆசிரியர் நன்கு வாழவே வாழ்த்துகிறோம் எங்கும் இறை பரம்பொருளின் பிரதிநிதிகள் என்று சங்க கொண்டே வெற்றி ஒளி செய்து போற்றுகிறோம் சங்க கொண்டே வெற்றி ஒளி செய்து तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
We now present Samarpanam, a musical offering by celebrated Carnatic musicians, all Yuvakala Bharatis and alumni of PSBB Numambakam, Abhishek Raghuram, Vasudha Ravi, Palakkad Ram Prasad, Akkarai Subbulakshmi and Anirudh Atreya. With Rag Yaman as the bass, these musicians have woven together snippets of songs that appeal to Mrs. YGP. Samarpanam for you.
నగవులు నిజమని నమ్మేద నగవులు నిజమని నమ్మేద ఒగినది యాశలు వదనవే నగవులు నిజమని నమ్మేద ఒగినది యాశలు వదనవే నగవులు నిజమని నమ్మేద ఒగినది యాశలు వదనవే నగవులు నిజమని నమ్మేద నమ్మేద
घटी घटित मेकला कचित मणिखंडिका घटी घटित मेकला कचित मणिखंडिका पटल निनदेन विभ्राजमानम् कुटिल पद घटित संकुल सिंजितेन तं चतुल नटना समुज्ज्वल विलासं चतुल नटना समुज्ज्वल विलासं भावयामि गोपालबालं मनसेवितं तत्पदं चिन्त चिन्तयेयं सदा।
हरि गोविन्द नर हरि राम कृष्णायनि हरि गोविन्द नर हरि राम कृष्णायनि वरुसगनाममुलु करुणदोजेयुसु वरुसगनाममुलु करुणदोजेयुसु वरुसगनाममुलु करुणदोजेयुसु हरिदासुलु वेटले मुचटगनि आनन्दमाये दयाळो हरिदासुलु वेटले मुचटगनि आनन्दमाये दयाळो हरिदासुलु वेटले हरिदासुलु वेटले हरिदासुलु वेटले।
ಜಗವನ್ನೇ ತೋರಿದ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗವನ್ನೇ ತೋರಿದ ಜಗದೋಧರಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಡುಪಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜಗದೋಧಾರಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಡುಪಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ
Rudra is the mightiest of the mighty. Dance, with powerful and synchronized movements, can overwhelm us with solemnity or move us to tears with sublimity. Alumni of PSBB KK Nagar, with utmost reverence for Mrs. YGP, present Rudra, a dance in the wilderness. Music is by Agam.
बजे शंकर घन घन घटा बजे घुम घुम घुंघरू बजे शंकर घन घन घटा बजे भोलेनाथ शंभो भोलेनाथ शंभो हर हर भोलेनाथ शंभो भोलेनाथ शंभो हर 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 महादेव शिव शंकर शंकर महादेव हर 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 महादेव शिव शंकर शंकर महादेव हर 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 महादेव शिव शंकर शंकर महादेव हर 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 महादेव शिव शंकर शंकर महादेव हर 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 महादेव शिव शंकर शंकर महादेव
Alumni are torchbearers of a school's reputation and credibility. Their work and contribution bring honor to the institution they once studied in. And there could not be a more special memory than past students reliving their time in school. First, we have with us Dr. G. Shivakumar, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, IIT Bombay, an alumnus of PSBB Nungambakkam, class of 1976. And we have with us Dr. S. Sudarshan, IIT Bombay, Deputy Director, an alumnus of PSBB Nungambakkam, class of 1983. They will share with us how Mrs. YGP inspired them.
Hi, I'm S. Sudarshan and I'm here today with Professor G. Shivakumar. Professor Shivakumar did his BTech at IIT Madras after graduating from PSBB, and then he did his PhD in the US and returned to India to a very distinguished career in the Computer Science and Engineering Department at IIT Bombay, including a term as a department head.
Professor Sudarshan followed the same path as me via IIT Madras and a PhD in the US. He has a very distinguished career in our department. He was chosen for the Distinguished Alumnus Award of IIT Madras and is also serving as a Deputy Director of IIT Bombay.
I attended PSBB from LKG through 12th standard, graduating in 1983. I saw it from a kid's eye, growing from a small startup school opposite the Lake Area dump to one of the top schools in Madras, now Chennai, and in India, and arguably in the world. It has taken its students places all over the world. In the case of me and Professor Shivakumar, from the Nungambakkam Lake to the beautiful Powai Lake, which you see behind us in this shot. The star of the dramatic growth of PSBB is clearly Mrs. YGP.
My family owes PSBB a lot. My elder brother Janikaram was already studying in PSBB when I joined LKG. And my younger brother Mullaivasul Chandramouli is a classmate of Professor Sudarshan. We are very fortunate that our parents chose this school for us, despite some patriarchs in the family teasing us gently that Nungambakkam Ladies Recreation Club may only teach us how to make applams and badams. Today, from the powerhouse of PSBB institutions that Mrs. YGP has created, brilliant students emerge and bloom in faraway places. But for all of them, their roots will be in PSBB and their nourishment from the strong values instilled there.
Mrs. YGP gave a lot of importance to tradition, and that is something which you hear about PSBB all the time, how it gives importance to tradition. But I would like to also point out that she gave equal importance to modern ideas, including many that she picked up on her regular visits to the US. I recall how Mrs. YGP introduced the concept of report writing. Till then it was all just studying and writing exams. But she made us write reports. And I recall having to go to the British Council Library to read up about some scientific topics from magazines there and then writing the report. I think I learned a lot in that process, and it is a very important change which our children now take for granted. I also recall how Mrs. YGP turned our then boys' secondary school into a co-ed school. I recall her bringing up this topic in a general assembly and asking students to vote. And of course, the older boys were really thrilled by this and voted strongly yes.
Mrs. YGP was a great teacher. She taught us the Sherlock Holmes story, The Hound of Baskervilles, in our English non-detailed class. Pulling the curtains and dimming the classroom, she would enact the scene so vividly that it remains etched in our memories even today. PSBB was a boys' school in those days. Conducting the assembly session one day, she asked some of us to spell woman. After many boys said WOMAN, she thundered, "That is not the way. It is actually WO man." What a way to convey how women could work twice as well as men and achieve so much despite all the odds.
Mrs. YGP proved that strong, independent women can take India forward. She transformed the Nungambakkam Ladies Recreation Club into an organization that created the PSBB school. And she developed PSBB into a top-notch school by hiring very smart women and a few very smart men. In this age of unicorn startups, I would say that PSBB was definitely a unicorn with a dream run. I will be eternally grateful to Mrs. YGP and PSBB not only for a wonderful education that has brought me to where I am today, but also for very generous financial support through Merit Cum Means scholarships back when I needed it. Thank you.
Mrs. YGP instilled so many values in us. One of my classmates was once caught listening to cricket commentary during class. The matter was escalated to Big Miss. She came to our class and slapped the boy twice and gave him a severe dressing down. I think my friend was secretly proud, as many of us cherish such motherly affection. When Mrs. YGP came to our class again the next day, we thought we were in for one more dose. But here's what she said. Listening to cricket commentary is not such a serious offense, and I should not have behaved like that. I slapped you in front of all your classmates, and now I apologize in front of all of them. What a great lady. Mrs. YGP, our Shashtanga Koti Namaskarams. You will live forever in our hearts and in the great institutions which you have created. Thank you.
From IIT Bombay, let us all now move to Wankhede Stadium, where the next speaker has stunned us all with his cricketing prowess. Ashwin Ravichandar, alumnus of PSBB KK Nagar, class of 2002 for Standard 10. Let's listen to him.
Hi everyone. As far as I am concerned, Mrs. YGP and Padma Seshadri go hand in hand. For me, those are not two separate entities. Mrs. YGP has always been a source of inspiration and spirit, not just as a student, and even after my days in the school, and once I became the cricketer that I am today, whenever I used to meet her, that embodiment of energy was very, very visible. She was someone who took active interest in arts and sports. She encouraged children to do both of them, and extracurricular activities wasn't a very encouraged aspect when I was growing up in those times, but she made it a very integral part of every child. And in fact, I remember in one of those GAs, which was a very regular feature on a week-to-week basis in the school, I came second in a shipwreck competition, and she called me aside and said, "You spoke really, really well, but sometimes that's the way competition goes. You must know how to handle coming first, coming second, or coming last, because at the end of the day, participation is everything." And to someone who was so so active and so high spirited, and put culture, put competition, put extracurricular activities in front, this is a due celebration that she deserves, and all the very best to all the participants.
From alumni that make their fans go crazy at stadiums, now let's talk about alumni who sway quiet connoisseurs of music. Srimati Vijay Krishnan, a violinist par excellence, hails from an illustrious family of musicians. An expert in both Western and Indian classical forms of music, she is an alumna of PSBB Nungambakkam, class of 1980. We are also joined by Dr. G. Chandramouli, an IIT graduate and a Doctor of Philosophy in Music. He decided to forego a career in the sciences to pursue his true calling, music. He is an alumnus of PSBB Nungambakkam, class of 1983, and he will present a song, Kannava, for Dr. Mrs. YGP. Finally, we are joined by Anirudh Ravichandar, an alumnus of PSBB KK Nagar. He is a celebrated music director in the Indian film industry, and he made crowds across the globe go crazy with his debut song. Let's listen to him.
It's a privilege and an honor to be asked to say a few words about Mrs. YGP. She really was a class apart. She nurtured the career of so many, many young people, and I'm fortunate to say I'm one of those young people that she nurtured. When I was at PSBB, a very young musician starting my career, she made sure I was allowed to take off from school whenever there was a demand for a concert, and I could travel and fulfill my commitments and still enable to continue with school and finish my schoolwork on time. And I still remember the CBSE board refused to let me take my board exam for the 12th because of lack of attendance. And Mrs. YGP flew off to Delhi to take to task the board. And she literally sat them down and told them that if we do not support and nurture the cultural ambassadors of our country, how will our culture ever survive? And she came back after her one-day trip to Delhi holding my hall ticket to enable me to write my 12th board exam. So such was her passion to encourage art, talent, sports, whatever it be in the child. She thought she had to groom everybody and encourage people. And she has done that to not just me, but thousands of students who have passed out of PSBB. And it's indeed a privilege to say I'm a fellow PSBBian. Thank you.
Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am presenting a humble tribute, a small musical medley, Kanna Va. Kanna Va, Manivanna Va. Kannava Manivannava Kamala Padam Pete Kanandanil Niva Kannava Our entire family is proudly associated with PSBB. I passed out of PSBB Nungambakkam in 1983. My elder brothers also studied here. My elder sister Padmini Balasubramaniam served our school as class teacher and science teacher for around 15 years, and my nieces Nitya and Lakshmi Bala also studied here. Cheta Shri Balakrishnam Bhaja Re Cheta Shri Balakrishnam Mrs. YGP, apart from being a pioneer in many ways, was a practical and quick decision maker too. She also had an eye for spotting and encouraging talent. Let me share my personal experiences. She organized a violin duet concert by myself and R.K. Sriram Kumar in our school in the early years of Bharat Kalachar. I received the Yuvakala Bharati title. She also blessed me on the first time I went on a concert tour to the USA in 1992. Ododi Vanden Kanna Nan Ododi Vanden Kanna Nan எனக்கும் உள்ள உறவின்று அறிந்து ஓடோடி வந்தேன் கண்ணா நான் உனக்கும் எனக்கும் உள்ள உறவின்று அறிந்து ஓடோடி வந்தேன் கண்ணா Whenever I performed in Bharat Kalachar, she made it a point to be there, and she used to affectionately refer to me as her student, and how she was also proud that I had joined IIT and later took to music as my profession. Mrs. YGP was a strict disciplinarian. Her sharp memory and concern for our welfare, combined with her tough exterior, brought out the best in us. In PSBB, mainly due to her, there is a wholesome mix of technology, academic excellence, variety in other activities like sports or debate or drama or dance or music, yoga, etc., as well as the personal touch. Wherever I am, I feel that Mrs. YGP and all the dedicated and affectionate teachers are always there to guide me. காற்றினிலே வருங்கீதம் காற்றினிலே வருங்கீதம் கண்கள் பனித்திட பொங்கும் கீதம் கல்லும் கனியும் கீதம் காற்றினிலே வருங்கீதம் நில மலர்ந்த இரவினில் தென்றல் உலாவிடும் நதியில் நீல நிறத்து பாலகன் ஒருவன் குழல் ஊதி நின்றான் காலமெல்லாம் காலமெல்லாம் அவன் காதலை எண்ணி உருகுமோ என் உள்ளம் காற்றினிலே வருங்கீதம் காற்றினிலே வருங்கீதம் காற்றினிலே. I am sure Mrs. YGP is keenly watching from her seat in the front row. We miss you a lot, ma'am. May you guide us always.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, and a very good evening to all of you who have tuned in today to the PSBB Vidya Shakti channel. It's my honor and privilege to talk about my relationship with Dr. Mrs. YGP on this wonderful occasion of Teachers' Day. These are troubling times with the coronavirus, but I heard that the school has done a wonderful job in shifting to online classes. So to all the students and the parents who are watching this, a very good evening to you all. The first experience I want to share about Dr. Mrs. YGP and the way she helped shape my life and my career goes back to the early 1990s. I joined the school in UKG, and I started playing the piano when I was very young, probably when I was 3. And just 1 year after I joined school, she made me go solo on stage in the school anniversary. She had so much confidence in my talent at that time. I was all alone on stage, shorter than my keyboard stand, and the applause that I received on that day, I can never forget in my life. I think that was a turning point in my life, even though I was so young, to realize that I want more of that, and she was the main catalyst. Every year after, she gave me an opportunity to be a part of the anniversary in some way and show my skills to all the parents and the students of this wonderful school's fraternity. Fast forwarding a few years, she let me go for culturals when I was underage because she thought I was good, and generally it's only the high school students who get to go, 11th and 12th standard students who get to go to other inter-school culturals and other events. Because she thought I was good, she encouraged me and allowed me to go and participate with all the seniors, probably when I was in the 6th or 7th. And I was in the T Nagar branch, TP Road, till 8th standard, and then I shifted to KK Nagar. The kind of encouragement that she has given me through all these years has been truly unmatched. I fondly remember I was trained only in Western classical music initially, but then she kept encouraging me and telling me to learn Carnatic music and other forms of Indian classical music. She made me join the bhajan group in KK Nagar, which was a big turning point for me because I was exposed only to English music and Western classical music. But then that made me realize the importance of knowing the value of our classical music, our Indian classical music. She kept insisting and instilling that fact that I have to be well versed in all types of music in order to be a successful musician. The school election, which I can never forget, I stood for the school pupil leader post, the 12th standard, and once the results were announced, I had to go to the advisor's office, that is Chandra Srinivasan ma'am's office, and then she told me the result once it was announced over the intercom, and she immediately dialed Mrs. YGP, and she came on the line and she said, Anirudh, you have won by the biggest margin till date, and I'm proud of you. At the same time, remember your duties and remember your values, and that will take you higher in life. I can never forget those words. The value system which she has inculcated in every one of us, thousands and thousands of students around the world, will go a long way in shaping our lives and our careers. I fondly recall Dr. Mrs. YGP sitting in that front row in the middle seat for every cultural event that happened at Bharat Kalachar and at every other Sabha in Chennai. Till this date, whenever I perform, I can always imagine her sitting in that front row because of the number of times that she sat there and encouraged my talent. So finally, we felt that we should give her a little musical tribute from our side and perform some of her favorite tracks over all these years. So dear parents and students, tune into the PSBB Vidya Shakti channel this Sunday at 6 p.m. to watch our musical tribute. We, the students of PSBB, are forever indebted to her, and her legacy will live on forever and ever. We love you, Dr. Mrs. YGP. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Srimati Sheila Rajendra, Dean and Director of the PSBB Group of Schools, will now express her profound gratitude to all those who helped put this month-long tribute together.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good evening. A very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. What an amazing 1 month it has been. It has been an incredibly emotional journey for me and for all of us in the Padma Seshadri Bala Bhavan family. It is hard to believe that it's been a year since our dear Mrs. YGP passed away. She has been with me in every thought and action every day in the past year, blessing and guiding me at every point, and I'm sure that every PSBBian holds similar sentiments. First of all, I would like to extend my profound gratitude to the Honorable Vice President of India, Shri Venkaiah Naidu, for graciously accepting to participate and deliver the first Mrs. Rajalakshmi Parthasarthi Memorial Lecture, a tribute to legend Dr. Mrs. YGP, and to inaugurate this month-long tribute to her. What an outpouring of tributes this month-long Shri Gurubhyo Namaha to Ma'am with love has been. Our current students, our distinguished and venerable alumni opened their hearts out and expressed such genuine feelings of respect, affection, warmth and gratitude to their beloved teacher, Mrs. YGP, and the respected founder of PSBB Group of Schools. My deep gratitude to each and every alumnus and alumna who so spontaneously came forward to present heartfelt tributes to Mrs. YGP, be it in the form of speeches, music, dance, drama, poetry and whatnot. I would like to express my thanks to all our present students who excelled themselves into putting together a phenomenal melange of cultural offerings. Our parents who have encouraged and supported their children and expressed their affection for Mrs. YGP deserve special mention. And how can I thank our principals, other heads and all our teachers who have worked passionately and tirelessly for this presentation, making this tribute despite the current scenario. They have coordinated remotely against all odds and constraints to ensure a smooth, a truly memorable program which is noteworthy of the high standards set by our Guru, Mrs. YGP. I sincerely believe that Mrs. YGP is here with us every minute of our lives, watching, showering abundant good wishes on us, and most importantly, in her usual childlike enthusiasm, enjoying every moment of the programs and tributes. Not because it's about her, but because it underscores the incredible talents of her students and teachers, and indeed makes her proud of them. It is said that Anjaneya is always present wherever and whenever Ramayana is being recited. We at PSBB truly believe that Mrs. YGP will always be present wherever and whenever a PSBB program or an event is being conducted. She will be wholeheartedly blessing us, guiding us in every part, and passing on her strength to us. I thank the Almighty for giving us His benevolent grace to conduct this month-long tribute in peace and harmony. It is my pleasure and my duty to recognize and appreciate Mr. S.B. Kanthan, Creative Director, and his team who has helped us put together this power-packed offering of cultural tributes on our YouTube channel PSBB Vidya Shakti. Thank you, Mr. Kanthan. Dear well-wishers, viewers and subscribers of PSBB Vidya Shakti, thank you for regularly watching our tributes to our teacher, Mrs. YGP. It has been a great fillip to our humble efforts and reassuring sense of encouragement. Let me reiterate our own Diamond Jubilee motto, rededicating our glorious past to a radiant future. Teachers, parents, students, and to all the people associated with PSBB, let us join hands together in building an equally glorious and radiant future on the strong foundation laid by our teacher of teachers, Dr. Mrs. YGP. Seeking your divine blessings, ma'am, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Sahana Vavatu, Sahana Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam Karavavahe, Tejas Vinavadi Tamastumavit Vishavahe, Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Let us all be protected. Let us all be nourished. Let us all work together. Let us sharpen our intellect. And let there be no animosity. Peace, peace, peace. Our civilization is based on a belief of a cyclical way of life. We continue to endeavor to do our karma even as we complete our duties. As we come to an end of our month-long offering to Mrs. YGP, we embark on a new journey of Sunday specials starting tomorrow. Lokaha samastaha sukhino bhavantu. We pray for everyone's well-being, for the world is our family. Stay tuned for our show tomorrow and give me permission to bid you all a goodbye. Namaste.
जय तु भारतम, जय तु भारतम, वसुदेव कुटुंबकम भारतम, जय तु भारतम, जननी पृथ्वी कामधुगास्ते जनको देवहस्तकटकं मैत्रीं भजत अखिल विजेत्री, मैत्रीं भजत अखिल विजेत्री।
मङ्गलानि सर्वजगतां वर्धन्तु सततं, रोगजनना विषाणवः नश्यन्तु शीघ्रम्।
सर्वे जनाः पश्यन्तु शान्तिं, जयतु जयतु जीवनोः, जया सन्तु सदा।
समस्ता सुखिनो
सुखिनो भवन्तु। विद्याशक्ति